Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be using Aztec healing clay mixed with apple cider vinegar to create a mask for a facial mask and also a hair mask. So right here you see I am mixing the apple cider vinegar and the Aztec clay together. What you want to do is make sure you're not using anything metal or it will not work correctly. So now I'm parting my hair into 4 sections to make everything much more easier. I'm just going to go section by section and apply the mask. Make sure you have a creamy texture when you're done mixing the Aztec clay and the apple cider vinegar. You can also use water as well. You can mix it with water, but I like to use apple cider vinegar because of apple cider vinegar's properties. It just does more with the mask than just using plain water, but you can use plain water and it'll work. So now I've did my 4 sections and now I'm going to go into each section and I'm going to make sure that the clay goes from my roots. Listen to me, I can't even talk. I'm going to put it from my roots all the way down to the ends. See that? Yes. And I'm going to keep going through there. Don't mind my scar. I am a breast cancer survivor, and that is what that scar is from. I had to have surgery, so excuse that. I had to put a towel on because the clay can get a little messy, and I didn't want to, wear a top where, things just get a little messy. So, anyway, here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and, go section by section and put it on from the roots all the way to the tips and make sure that I get every strand of hair. Then I'm going to let it sit for a while and also use the Aztec clay on my face as a mask as well. See, I've always used it as a mask on my face, to help my skin and everything. And it does so good, for my complexion and for my skin, until I was told that I could use the same mask on my hair. And I was like, oh, okay, so let me go ahead and try this. So today is my first time trying the mask on my hair. I hope I didn't scare you. Okay, so I am back. And as you can see, I have it all over my hair. Look. All of my hair, and I had some left over and I'm not trying to waste it, so I went ahead and did a facial mask as well. It's good for facial masks too. So Aztec healing clay you can use it for a lot of things. Okay, so I usually always use it for my face mask until I found out you can use it on your hair. So I did that as well. And so with the hair, it's supposed to bring back the curls. It's supposed to do a deep penetration and clarifying of your hair. So I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and try this and see how it works out. Now for the skin, it gets deep down into the pores. I know you guys have tried all different masks and stuff, but Aztec healing clay mask, using it on your face is really the bomb. So anyways, I went ahead and I put on my face. So I'm going to put my timer on, and I'm going to leave this in my hair for 15-20 minutes. By that time, the clay on my face should have dried as well. And you know what? As it dries, I'm going to show you the difference of what it looks like wet on your face compared to what it looks like dry. So yeah, when I get back, y'all are going to see it. It doesn't even take that long. Okay, so here's what it looks like once it's dry on my face. It's all cracking and stuff. So, it's not all the way. You can still see some wet spots, but yeah, it's kind of hard to move my face around because of how dry it is. So just imagine if I would have did it dry on my hair. Yeah, so no, we don't want to have to deal with that. Well, I don't anyway, so yeah. Okay, so I've washed the clay out of my hair and off my face. You can tell that it cleansed my face really good. Look at the red spots. But check out these curls, y'all. My hair's stuck underneath the towel and stuff like that. But yeah, check out the curls, like the definition. Like usually when I wash my hair, I have curls, but it's not like this defined. In order to get your curls like this defined, you would have to use the different creams and stuff like that. But yeah, look at my hair feels lighter, and there are curls defined all over. Yeah, so well, right now I'm about to do a co-wash. I'm about to co-wash my hair. And what that is you washing your hair with conditioner. And I'm gonna make sure that I got all of the clay out, you know, because there may still be some in there. But I did my best massaging it, and I made sure I used warm water because you want to clear it out with warm water. That deactivates the clay, especially on your face. The warm water does. You just let it run on it, and then you start to wipe it out. Wipe it off your face. And then the same thing with your hair. You want to massage it out of your hair with warm water. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to co-wash my hair. Then I'm going to do a deep condition to put the moisture and seal it in, you know, all that good stuff. But my hair feels better when you do it and you get to the point that I am right now. You're going to feel the difference. You are, you know. Yeah. So. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye for now.